For years, Cinema City has been searching for an air purification system for our movie theaters. I wanted to make sure that our audiences, which include families and children, would enjoy a healthy cinema experience. We've seen a lot of solutions around the world, but none of them have been reliable and none of them have been tested. Luckily, we were able to partner with Tadiran on this challenge.
Tadiran's AirCare O2 air purification technology uses a discharge current to convert oxygen and water molecules into hydrogen peroxide, treating the entire air-conditioned space. AirCare O2 patented technology is exceptionally effective. Applicable for common indoor HVAC systems, it installs easily, consumes minimal power, requires no maintenance, and cleans itself. And it works even when the AC is off.
Obviously, we've done all the lab tests required, but we wanted to take it one step further. Together with the Cinema City, we designed and executed an unprecedented and never done before experiment. The idea of the partnership was to really prove in a real-life situation how efficient our AirCare O2 technology is. In order to conduct the experiment in the most professional way, we turned to Professor Kushmaro from Ben-Gurion University. High Labs was in charge of conducting the experiment and analyzing the air that was sampled.
Most people don't know that the air we breathe indoor is full of bacteria, molds, and other contaminants.
We have tested the efficacy of the system in a cinema hall at 6 different sampling points. We collected the air before operating the system and also during the movie screening in which audience were present.
The results were very impressive, with a significant reduction in molds and bacteria while using the system. That means less bacteria and molds that the audience is breathing during the movie, contaminants that would otherwise irritate people's respiratory tract.
After 2 weeks of testing, we got an excellent result. The cinema was clean, the air was purified. We've decided in the next week to install their solution in all of our cinemas around Israel. The solution is working.
We are extremely proud of the results achieved in the first of its kind field experiment. We believe we can make a major difference in the world by creating cleaner and healthier air for everyone, leading the air revolution.